Hello. Hello, December.
Be yourself around me, yourself around me. Oh. And I know nobody's perfect, so I'll let you be. I'll let you be. It's the way you weigh your emotions on both of your sleeves. To the face you make when I tell you that I had to leave. Ooh, but I like it, baby. Ooh, I like it, baby. But I like it, baby. I like it, baby. You don't need no words, acceptance and love only. Love only. Always pick your secret weapon in your.
But I like you, baby. Ooh, I like you, babe. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We've got a new TV. I'm so happy. I just dropped the guy that was installing my TV and the washing machine. Yeah, so I'm back home. I'm just gonna clean my house because it's so dirty after I install. So I'm just gonna clean that and let's start the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video and subscribe.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you.
Judge how dirty my car is. Okay. This is a girl's car. Can you believe that? I'm taking it for a splash soon today. Okay, let's pack this.
I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would.
So I went to buy some girly stuff. This is my mask and scrub and wash from Nivea and a mask applicator. I found it at Clicks. This is from Pap. It was on sale. It was 20 rands. One for the eyes. I have to put it in the freezer first. And the one for the nails, I have to go do my nails. And this thing to scrub my face with, and some cottons for it's just girly stuff. And then I also bought, let me do this, from Mr. Price. Oh, from Pep I also bought these things. They were 25 francs. So from Mr. Price home I bought these containers, popcorn containers, for when I'm chilling watching a movie, me and whoever. Okay, maybe me and Barry. And then I went to buy the black towel for after hand wash. This, you can use this because the white one, I was washing dark clothes and I put a white. I don't know why did I do that, because who does that? So I was washing the white towel, and then it kind of like, the black stuff kind of like dyed it, and I'm like, you know what, I'm tired, I'm gonna buy the black one. And so I did. Start of the show. So I'm so happy about this purchase, you guys. This one, I'm so excited. It's so, and then I'm gonna take one of these, put some powder in here, and then take one of these. You know, you know what? I'll show you what I'm gonna do.
It got me, myself. I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm staying with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Guys, my carpet is here. I've ordered it from Superbalist. It's a 160 by 230 centimeter. So I'm just first gonna mop this section, this area again. I did yesterday, but I'm just gonna do it again before Kikabea. My mat.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby.
I'm just I wanna wash my face. Good morning. And my curls are so cute. Guys, I love this wig so much. These curls are still very much relevant. I'm gonna wash my face with this Clicks skincare collection, Rainbows Plus antioxidants. I love this so much, so I'm just gonna like wash my face using it. Okay. Hair down. Guys, the other day I burned my lips. No, I was not smoking. I don't even smoke hardly, y'all. But I burned my lips because I was trying this lip treatment thingy. Yo, ngaze ngayisola. Now I have karikatsuba and stuff, and I don't. That's the thing. I don't smoke. I'm not a smoker, but I'm definitely looking like a smoker. Too bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. And brush it in. Let me do this.
Second check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says my mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. You got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know you ain't gonna talk alright. I know you ain't gonna talk alright. Baby, I just want wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit. Know that shit. Know that it is hot. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so bad.
Let's take this a bit down because I'm here. It go dim. Sana, I'm having a relaxed Saturday. This weekend, I'm just relaxing. I'm not doing anything. So yeah. Woo. It's so hot, guys, and outside it's so hot as well. But thermoregulation. If you know the whole concept, yeah, thermoregulation, I ain't gotta say much, you know. And if you don't know, Google it. Having my iced water. Listen, I need to invest in a Stanley cup. I actually want to do that because apparently if you put something cold in a Stanley cup, it's gonna remain like it literally gonna remain cold. Hot, it's gonna remain hot. So basically it restores the temperature, you know. That's something I need. I think I'm gonna order it tonight when I'm watching a movie, because right now I actually wanna watch some movie. Actually not a movie, Family Guy playing. I love cartoons. Okay, I'll be 40 years and I'll still be watching cartoons maybe with my kids. I enjoy them so much. So every night before I sleep, I do so. So I've just showered. I'm in my PJs. I'm gonna have some popcorn while watching Family Guy. So this is the container I'm gonna be putting this popcorn in, then watch Family Guy, and then go to sleep. And I have to order a Stanley cup, definitely. I just needed that fresh air. Morning. Just woke up now. I'm gonna make some breakfast, but I'm gonna warm up first before making any breakfast, because I just washed my face only. Yeah, and it's Sunday. I'm gonna have some rooibos tea. Where's the honey? Having just dull. I'm having some rooibos tea with honey. Cheers. So I'm gonna watch Melissa Mpendulo. I love her so much, love her vlogs. It's Sunday. You know what they say? Sunday alpha vlogs. And I'm also gonna release mine today. Cheers. Hello December. Guys, I'm just gonna quickly go to work to do my patients. As you know, call chronicles, I'm on call, so I have to quickly go see. I hope I didn't add. I have to quickly just go and then yeah, come back, cook, clean, and do some laundry. I think in Alwashin. So let's do that. Here is Mbaba. I'm gonna do a warm-up test. What we call is the warm-up test. Let me take out this. It's so hot. I think I should put you guys. No, I have to show you. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do what we call is the warm-up test. It helps the machine, elongates the life of the X-ray machine, right? So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm probably just talking French to you guys, but yeah, I'm just gonna do it using the generator only. So I've put it here for my fellow colleagues to see it, so that they can if they forget, they can just refer to this thing. No? So yeah, where am I? Okay, I'm just gonna set 50 kVp, 50 MAS, I mean MA, and then 100 msec. I know I probably sound like I'm probably just speaking French, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna take a shot. That's the first one. So you have to wait like 1 minute before. I'm gonna do 3, and then I'm just gonna wait like 1 minute in between those 3. So this is done. Let me please, you can see me. This is done in the morning, and if the machine has not been has not been used for like 2 to 4 hours, you do it again. You know, those 3 tests. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna see my patient, and then we're gonna go. I just got off a phone call with someone asking me about someone else. You know, the thing is, if you ask me about me, I can answer you. If you ask me, I'll tell you. But if you want to ask me about someone else, you're making me feel awkward, and you're making me feel like, why are you asking me about someone else though? Like, guys, please, let's mind our businesses. If you are about to talk to me or ask me about anything, it's weird. It's giving weird vibes.
Yourself around me, sugar.